Zemo akwaba na enso en semo ekoso e wagode mu ne ache ne kufuri bra wo se pedwama wo kansi sam ya na toso de se fata sauti na bibia ya de bra wona kejo na nkasa ne Eric Asiedu Bodi Bernard Padi Botwe ana feso no Sergio Manocho wo na bibia wo ye be producers a wo ka ma me den sam no de bra wo na aye bet power na de sia konkon a ye sam no e ba ya na wo de nkasa ka kejo ne ho na ye be sha se de fia manfo aman so na fia ba fi abahede ekoso e wo aye efie one team aye silent abra ye call off season yi amanfo sensan amanfo ye omo niema no yen chedanti omo kan ya Arsenal last season on Manchester City prayer last minute and Man City esan agifi omo nsam biem team say na akoya akomate pa na ade Mikel Arteta one na coach pani pa ma Arsenal den samo tudwa say kwampia so pre-season here wo yi no wo hwe say obe toto niema na sane season e twa mu ne koye no ene maka kra bi eso de ka ho na mutimi across the line no season e ba no otimi ayene sa say signings bi ba o se bi ma o gusu de dem egu paper so na be Arsenal fans any budget next season
Man City
so Mikel Arteta and some of the two January how the season goes bra omom international breaking in back and yanko Manchester United Joshua sexy yes some sign up fee Bologna 23-year-old omojiri so ba abeka team no na niam team akoyi pa ne ade or sign 5 years at Manchester United or then some to say ne ajepa so abeka United team no Amarone de kakra koso ne ade Manchester United akache no kopi mu Manchester City o mani abredani omo person mo de ne ba at Liverpool so de na monchenchen resabet mi afa and so obia eye ne signings of person Chelsea so de ho agimu a enya easy cra next season kopi mu Spain cra so die Nico Williams or kopi mu Barca na asa wonko Brennan Krabia and a betche yanko Pimonra while Accra Sports Stadium near the Democracy Cup Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko by Enkayoni Accra Hearts of Folk. Now before that big game now parliamentarians and former Black Stars players no they are so the members of parliament and former Black Stars players Ajiban Badu, Derek Boateng, Mokwame Ayew, Obomodin, Omunyina, John Painster, Olele, Fatau Dauda, Omunyina come home parliamentarians no at the PM so. Ya Bobby Bierry, you know, near parliamentarians no Archie, former Black Stars players Abomo Kabiensa. Amomati Mobako Sule in a ball, the only consolation for the former Black Stars players. Yankwa Accra Sports Stadium.
Doesn't look like an exhibition match anymore.
Not at all. Here's Honorable Watson. It's a big chance for the parliamentarians, and they've opened the scoring. The Parliament Select side lead the ex-Ghanaian footballers by 1-0. Honorable Boateng, Patrick Boateng has scored for the Parliament 11. Muntari going for this.
Oh, that's his territory. But the question is power or placement.
Muntari will go for a curler. At this point, I don't think he'll go for a drive. And Muntari bends one, and Muntari equalizes. It was always coming. Sule, Ali Muntari. North constituency. Not too sure about his footballing abilities, Suhini. Mensah goes past Afudodu. Can they get a second? And the Parliament Select side have their second goal. The beating the ex-Black Stars players. It's not over yet. Is it over?
It's not.
But I'm thinking. Here is Abdul Salam. Now Mensah. Can they get a third? And it's 3-1 against the ex-Black Stars players. Mensah again. Unbelievable stuff here at the Accra Sports Stadium. It's the staff of Parliament and the members of Parliament Select side 3 ex-Black Stars players 1.
You would have to repeat that again. You will have to repeat that again. But they are just running routes now. And the ex-Black Stars players do not have any questions, answers to the questions they're asking.
Now, the other game and so paso parliamentarians and mano name workers and more parliament and mano mo come boom so bomb the niti pa. But the game no be a train has of I metama Kumasa Sane Koroko. Go back to that Accra Sports Stadium.
Brilliant stuff. Aqua goes past a woman's he goes down in the box. Penalty for Kotoko. Kotoko gets a penalty. Blade takes a deep breath. Blade makes a step. Justice Blade! Kotoko lead the Phobians by Justice Blade's penalty in the 31st minute. It's Hasabok 0, Asante Kotoko 1 in the 2024 Democracy Cup at the Accra Sports Stadium. To Hamza, down the left side, he finds Dennis Kosa, and Kosa swings in a cross. Asari fails to deal with it, and the Phobians have the equalizer. But you are thinking, was the goalkeeper impeded? Was the Kotoko goalkeeper fouled? Should it have been a foul?
Indicates that the goal has been taken, but
on. But here is Somwa trying to find Cheba for, but Esibe steps up. He gives it away. Overconfidence gives Kotoko the advantage. Cheba for, here is Amidu Akwa. He shoots. And Kotoko have the second goal. Peter, Amidu, Akwa. 2 goals for Kotoko, 1 for Hasabok. It's a goal. Hearts 1, Kotoko 2. Brilliant goal from Peter Amiduakwa, but that was a howler from Osei Esibe.
it would go down.
That's the final whistle. Kotoko are champions of the 2024 Democracy Cup. The beating Hasabok by 2 goals to 1 here at the Accra Sports Stadium. For the 3rd time this year, Kotoko have beaten the Phobians. Justice Blade, Amidu Akwa scoring for the Porcupines.
Alban SK Babin presenting the trophy to Kotoko's goalkeeper and captain for the day. Your thoughts?
Well, yeah, it's not been easy. It's been very difficult, especially looking at the fact that this is a maiden edition of the Democracy Cup and also the various factors that went into it. But at the end of the day, we put in a lot of hard work. We had a lot of support also from Parliament.
All right, so there you see the celebrations. Asante Kotoko being crowned champions. Justice Blay, we'll talk about the tactics and the rest in a bit with Felix, but for you, how challenging and how easy was it to put this together?
Well, yeah, I can tell you, it was challenging and not easy, difficult. You know, for us, being given the opportunity by Mr. Speaker, one is a privilege. Secondly, working with Parliament is a major...
Right, and so you go so Democracy Cup, Kotoko are champions, but Ora Alban Bagbin, His Excellency, Speaker of Parliament, the some kakatu dra or Jumadi na settings and then Japa, so Hunsa Sadene Kuyi and Yadia.
Congratulations. I can see great potential in our players, and I'm sure with investment, Ghana once again will rise up again. And so, please be assured that Parliament is with you throughout. I want to end up by thanking our technical people. The technical people, the referee, the assistants, and more importantly, the technical team that trained the coaches. Not the coaches themselves. I know there's a team that is training the coaches. And the coaches, I watched them. And the instructions they were giving to the players. Well done. The sports authorities, we have our masters here. They have made it possible for all of us to be here. I want to salute your efforts. Congratulations.
All right, and so I know in somewhere, Bang Bagman, Speaker of Parliament, or the two Jawa Jumadina say, and Emmanuel Achiman Badu, and so no can ex-players are almost a kind of one game in the mobile in some way to
I say football I can't or mine boom. Until say yeah, parliamentarians yet my free GFS, on person maybe say a can't money boom. I say, and Munyam say 30 years of democracy. It's not easy. Ohwe countries be bra mo twan ho ahia yi omo beto aba en tokwan ne nyama be bracisi nyame andem 30 solid years say ya ntima nhyɛ saa de ne bia say ye nya yitimi ka bom en na hwe ade fefe electoral commission maame wo CJ wo speaker of parliament wo parliamentarians ni nyina wo na IGP wo e de na FSA nti ye football kan ye nyina bom nti ye bompa ye say elections aye kono normally tension they won't mean film about there's a bit of tensions but everyone pay say true football no at the end na ya champion one no entimi emra ya dream na enya peaceful elections said the be ya e betima ato so aye adwuma said the be ya football no e betima kan ebom nti ena ya lose parliamentarians na watch 3-1 na it was very good game. Apart from that we all witnessed has Nekoto game. It was very exciting for the past 2 years. I'm say game masha I'm say mangu say yeah game no emwefe enini nti adia omoye de ade fefe pa I hope say ye bia na beto aso nti misumani age say minya akwanya matimi abeboa ma
right no Emmanuel Ajeman Badu Nika mono na odin some to you now bet power can one opinion in some about bet power betting companies na bet power hani kray mo den den yen easy kwada yen hwiri fi ana yen ko ne yen san hwiri en ko pie mo wo the Olympic Games in no time chassis enya sam keto akra Olympic Games Ghana ya lese dia mo corner nsem bi ne mu na bi so mo nko ebi se yentua mo ka na no mbetu kakra Africa Games ase ye mo ensem bebre ne ade a ye be kwa na ase yen ko the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the nice form so obehwe na what is sika bia ase de mo bia mo ne akopie mu e wo dwumade na se Sergio Manocho e boye mu
dwa se athletes ahodo a omu ko gina Ghana na mu Paris 2024 Olympic Games na se no ano ba ye tene pa sempeni fo mamu na bonuses bi aka momentia nya de o betum de kan dia ma o my Ghana and the Ministry of Sports atensem na omusoso mani abre e de nema gu akwan mu na bonuses bi aka mu no o metu athlete no ansa na Paris Olympic Games no ahase owura Evans opoku bobie e oswafo be de kire a ohwa agudie ne mabunu so
omo Bahama sikana omoka the processes has been activated long time. The Ministry of Youth and Sports is waiting for Ministry. I think the finance will release this kind of money. Once it is released, they will be paid. On the issue of the Abanye or Mohe, France or Mono, one the Mao ticket the Kwenya buy. So the Abanye ready so why would the same government buy ticket for you to go buy? They are feeding and they are ticket to go to France. No? Governments are taking care of all that. Any sportsman, beer or Ghana, whether athlete or footballer, into your allowance, what we pay is the winning bonus or per diem.
Right, and so Wanone and Sama Ekoso, your Olympic Games, Basso, our France, na Ghana, Yatimia Koji, was here on the 26th of July to the 11th of August. 2024 on Basso France. See, we are hoping for the best. Yeah, listen, no money any down, especially the 4x100 team. No, the cash cow, gold pots. No. Tia Hesani and on some so be see. I was going to pay big national DSC. Sergio Manocho Bernard Paddy will me producers. No pay bet power DSC. I can come here in some of bet power betting companies. The Mukurino power account just a power room. Into honest or bet here. Yet, I put on some bet to us, so Mrs. Fiaman Quatamakro. We are the Akasobeba. Big Germany. Koswahe.